Hello YouTubers, this is my Galaxy Tab 10.1 here, and I've just installed a Skinomi skin, the standard front and rear clear plastic version. I think there's a couple of more, like a wood and carbon fiber back. So what do you get? You get this clear solution here, which is probably just water and maybe a little bit of something inside. You get this squeegee for squeezing out the bubbles, and you get instructions on the packaging itself, and of course you get the film as well. This comes with several pieces. There's one for the front here, two for the bottom, separate pieces for the sides there, and one for the top. Now there's cutouts for all the holes and ports and all that. You get, as you can see here, you can see there's an opening for the speaker, buttons there, the camera and flash. Stereo speakers have openings on the sides, and of course on the bottom you've got the opening for the dock there, cut out for the microphone there, and that's it. What I noticed after installing it is that there's a bit of overlap on the sides there, but that's better than coming out short. You can easily cut those off, I suppose. And on the back, there's no overlap. It's pretty good on the back, just those side parts there. Anyway, I noticed there's a lot of there are a lot of marks left over, a couple of bubbles left over after squeezing out a lot of the bubbles with the squeegee. All these marks and stuff are supposed to go away in a couple of days according to the instructions, so now let's check this out in a couple of days then. So 3 days have passed, and as you can see, all the blemishes and bubbles have cleared up. It's completely perfect now on the front here, no bubbles or whatever, completely smooth. I do have a bit of dirt attached to the cutout here next to the camera, but it shipped with that dirt in there and I couldn't get it out. I also have a very subtle vertical line right across the screen here on the skin, and you can't really notice it, but it shipped with that, so it's not a problem with the skin. But other than that, really good. I'm having no problems with the skin. Finger operation is good. There's no, your finger doesn't get stuck or whatever, and you can see the screen very nicely. There's no degradation in the visual quality of the image. And on the back there are still a couple of bubbles left over, as you can see here, but I know those will clear up in a couple of days. Just a couple of pointers if you're interested in installing a Skinomi skin. Use plenty of the solution provided. If you run out, just fill it with water again. Spray spray the solution on the tablet and on the skin and on your fingers, and of course do that. Repeat that for the back and the sides. Well, so give it a good week for it to dry. I'm on my 3rd day here, and while the front here is completely cleared up, there are still a couple of bubbles on the back, as I mentioned, so give it a week for all the blemishes to disappear. And you'll need to alternate sides when you're drying it, so just leave it on the facing up for about 3 days, and leave it on the back here for another 3 days, and you should be pretty good to go.